Hey, this is Redundant Media. I'm going to show you how to put in new RAM in your MPC 4000. All you got to do is open it up. I think we have another video showing how to do so. You open this bad boy up. I like to have ample lights. As you can see, we got some RAM here. All you have to do is use your finger and push it. Push it real good. Push it. Then you got the back ones. You pull it out, the RAM just comes right out. As you can see, this RAM will pop out too. And then we have our new RAM. You put it in and make sure the notches line right up. You pop it in, and then you should hear a snap, and then it actually doesn't come back out. And that's how you do it. Now we have another stick. We're going to do the exact same thing. You just line it up. Snap, snap. That was a snap in about 60-something seconds. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos. redundantmedia.com